Hi, I'm Marna, and I have some inexpensive ways that you could dress your BJD dolls. These are 1/3 dolls. They are on the low end. I love them anyway. I know there are a lot of people out there that spend a lot of money on their dolls, their wigs, their clothes. I have looked at the clothing and boots that cost more than I spend for myself. Could I spend that kind of money on dolls? My husband will buy me anything I want, but I'm not going to. So I thought it would be fun to show you some inexpensive ways. If you're like me and you are collecting dolls and enjoying dolls on a budget. This little dress I really like. I bought this on eBay. It is an 18-inch doll dress. And what I did was I simply took a ribbon, I tucked the dress in the back from side to side and tied it. The reason I don't tailor these clothes is because they also fit not only my 18-inch dolls, and I have a lot of the brands, but they also fit my 28-inch Barbie, my Bitty Babies, my Chatty Cathys, my Chatty Babies, Tiny Chatty Baby, and the list just goes on of what these little outfits will fit. Now, if I were tailoring this dress, I would do it from the sleeves down. I would leave that neckline alone. I rather like that kind of off her neck. You could add a little necklace. But you don't have to just tie it with ribbon either. You could take a piece of bias tape, and I chose gold to really pop for the fall. And you could tuck her dress in the back, or even after you've tailored it. Like I said, I choose to tuck. And measure off a piece of that bias tape, any color. You can make it black, and just make her a little belt, a simple belt, especially if you're a beginner crafter. Cut that to size with a little extra, and then put Velcro on your the back of your belt. Just leave a little extra room for Velcro. And remember, Velcro does not go on the same side. One side goes on the opposite side so that it lays flat when you press it together. Now, when she had this on, you'll see that I did not put a bow at her waist, but you could. But you could also take a piece of ribbon and tie it in the back with a bow, or let it hang, or in the front like I had done. But there's a lot of different ways you could close this dress and make it look cute for photos and display. Now, if you were using this outfit, which also came from eBay and was very inexpensive, less than $3. There's a lot of different things you could do to tailor this outfit. I did a video, September Crafts, on how to take this dress and it comes with a cap, and change it in about, I don't even know, 8 or 10 or 11, 12 different ways that it would work. Now this one would take some tailoring for your 18-inch dolls, but it would be worth it. You could change this dress up. You could take it in from the sides or the back. Take your straps off, or change them, or just move them over a little bit. And that would be a really cute little dress that you could have fun with. And if you have children, I know some of you have high-end BJD dolls, but you buy these lower ends for your children. You can teach your children to sew by hand, tailoring these outfits. It's a great craft for kids. One fun thing I found, and I was actually going to tailor this outfit, but I put it on her and she was sitting there, and I thought, you know, that's just cute little PJs. Also bought, actually from the same seller. Will I list the seller below? No, because I'm bidding for these, and I'm not going to send you there to bid against me yet. One day I'll share. So they have these cute little PJ outfits, and there are several sellers that have these. Some, now I'll have to go look, and if I can find that seller, I'll list it. They sell these little outfits for $2.79. Now, doesn't that just make cute little PJs for your BJD? Just fun. And I have an extra one of those that I'm willing to share. This will be a hidden giveaway. If you are a subscriber, this is for my subscribers only. If you will leave a comment below and a like, you will be entered for the hidden giveaway of these little PJs. One pair, one set. This is how these little dresses come. Some have a collar, some come with this. They come in a variety of prints. To me, that's a bit of a large print for the BJDs. It's okay, but a little large. Then this doll, Then this doll is wearing a dress that I'm going to tailor, including the socks. The socks are okay. It's not a fit that I like, but then I do not like socks even a little bit. As you can see, it's a little large. I'm going to take this in from either side. I already took one outfit that I bought in, and that's how I plan to take it in. But I wanted to show you that I bought these. I got in on a clearance at Hobby Lobby, and this little outfit was $2.89. Again, these little outfits that are made for the 18-inch dolls. And there's a slew of them. American Girl, Our Journey, Our Generation, Journey Girls, there's a bunch, even guys. Now this particular outfit is, let's see, what does it say on here? 4 pieces. You get the t-shirt and the shift, is what we always called it, as well as the socks. Like I said, the socks are okay, not my cup of tea, but they would work. But you get this shirt, and quite honestly, what I paid for this on clearance, the t-shirt alone was worth it. And you can put that on with a little jean skirt or a pair of jeans or anything you want. Now my dolls came with shoes. That's all they came with, just shoes. And they look like this. And that's cute. Cute enough. But I took nail polish and I put 3 coats of polish on the sole and 1 coat of polish on the bow. And I use nail polish on this rather than acrylic paint because I have found that acrylic paint will chip. Like if you store this pair together in a little bag, they will chip one another as they rattle around. But for me, the nail polish stays on better and doesn't chip. I don't know, that's not high dollar shoes, but a little better than just the pink. Anyway, just some ideas, a little bit of fun of how you could teach your child to dress their BJD dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. And don't forget, when you do that, you're entered for the hidden giveaway in this video. Thanks for watching.